The Amazon Associates program is an affiliate marketing program offered by Amazon.com. As an Amazon Associate, you can earn a commission on eligible purchases made by customers who have clicked on your unique referral link. Here's how it works. Sign up to become an Amazon Associate. You need to sign up for the program on the Amazon Associates website. Promote products, choose the products you want to promote, and create a unique referral link for each product. You can promote products by adding the links to your website, blog, social media, or other marketing channels. Earn commissions. When a customer clicks on one of your referral links and makes a purchase on Amazon, you will earn a commission on the sale. The commission rate can vary depending on the product category, but is typically between 4% and 10%. Track earnings. Amazon provides detailed reports and analytics to help you track your earnings and monitor your referral activity. The Amazon Associates program is a great way for individuals and businesses to monetize their website or blog by promoting Amazon products. By becoming an Amazon Associate, you can earn a commission on the sales of products you promote, and you can do it all from the comfort of your own home.